Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to heel toe. If you already know how to rev match, doing a heel toe is actually really easy. There's only one thing that you have to learn that's different from a normal rev match. So let's head off and I will show you guys how to do this. So let's see. So if you already know how to rev match, it's simple. And that one thing I was talking about is being able to brake and hit the gas at the same time. That is not only the most intimidating part, but it's also, for most people, the hardest part. Now, I do have a trick to figure out how in any car to heel toe. So step one, what you gotta do is find a long straight like I'm on right now. Or you can go to a parking lot, just go to a parking lot or anywhere that there's not a whole bunch of cars and you can kind of just cruise. What you're gonna wanna do is get up to a reasonable speed. Right now I'm doing 50 miles an hour, speed limit's 55, and I'm gonna put in neutral. Now, while I'm here, I have enough speed that I can hit the brakes and I won't go really, really slow. So what I'm going to do is hit the brakes and just gingerly hit the gas. I'll show you. So I'm on the brakes. I'm revving the engine. And now I'm gonna get back up to speed again and do it again. And what this exercise does is it helps you learn how to get on the brakes smoothly and still hit the gas at the same time. The hardest part for people isn't that they can't reach the pedals. Hate to interrupt, but previous Nick, you're wrong. I couldn't even heel toe in my car until I actually had pedal spacers. Josh couldn't heel toe either. Davis couldn't heel toe until he drove in Josh's car that has pedal spacers, and that's why there are things like these and these and these and these. Not being able to reach your pedals is totally a problem that people face. For me, my pedal box was a little too small, so I had to get something that was closer so I could hit it. And some people do like heel and toe where it's like all the way over, and then some people do heel and like side of foot, which is like me. Regardless of the way that you do it, watch the rest of the video. It'll totally help you out. Pardon this interruption if you already can hit your pedals, but if not, yeah, totally check out some pedal spacers. Makes a huge difference. It's usually that when they hit the brakes, they either push too hard when they go to hit the gas or they let off the brakes when they try to hit the gas. And you get this really lurchy feel. That's not from the shifting, but more of actually the braking. So let's try that some more. I'm in 6th gear right now, so going fast enough. Neutral. That's it. So I have a lot of experience using heel toes. I do them every day in daily driving. I love driving back roads, so I'm always doing heel toes. So it's really easy for me to do this. But that wasn't always the case. It took me a really long time to figure out how to keep constant pressure on the brakes while still hitting the gas. And like I said, that is the hardest part. But if you can figure out how to do that with the car just in neutral, you'll have an easy time just shifting through the gears. Because aside from the foot on the brakes, a heel toe is identical to a normal rev match like this. Let's try to do it now with actual shifting. I'm doing 65 right now in 6th gear. So I'm gonna get on the brakes, push in the clutch, down a gear, rev it, and then clutch out. 4 steps. Clutch in, shift, flip the gas, clutch out. And all of that while your right foot is on the brakes. So let's do it again. A little faster. Just like once you learn upshifting or once you learn rev matching, it becomes second nature once you get good. I have a proposition for you guys. If you don't believe me on how easy it is for you to learn to heel-toe, I want you to do this. Grab a camera, a GoPro, DSLR, anything, even your phone. Mount it to your dashboard and take a video of you doing exactly what I told you to do. Get your car going, put it in neutral, get on the brakes, and just hit that gas. Practice revving it. That's all you need to do. And now, once you can do that smoothly, put it in a gear that you're comfortable downshifting between. Like when I was learning, I would always use 4th and 3rd, and get on the brakes and do the same thing except push in the clutch and downshift this time. It sounds like a lot, but just take it in steps. Do that, and I guarantee you, if you practice this maybe for an hour, you will at least do one heel-toe. It may not be the smoothest, but I guarantee you that you can do one. So, take that video, send us those clips. I want to see those. Send it to this email right here, wastegatemedia@gmail.com. Make the title, How to Heel-Toe. I want to see you guys and gals sending us videos of you learning how to heel-toe. I think that would be an awesome thing to see, and I just can't wait to see the Wastegate community getting out there and learning some race car driving techniques. So I hope you guys have an awesome day. Have a great time learning how to race car drive, and remember, don't be scared. And if you are nervous about it, just take a big deep breath, let it out, and realize that no one's gonna judge you. No one's gonna judge you if you rock the car, if you shake the car. Or learning manual takes time. And it may not be super easy at first, but I swear to God, if you keep going, you will learn how to do it, and you will be the best darn driver around. So, like I said, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and send us your videos. I'd love to see that. All right, guys, take care.